how to get the link of any YouTube video. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you with the steps on how you can copy the link of any YouTube video. So in order to start, the first thing that we're gonna do is simply launch our YouTube application, which we can do so by tapping onto the app icon. And now once the YouTube application launches, you can open any YouTube video. So for example, let's say this video right here. Now if you want to share this particular video, what you can do is simply click onto this share button, and from here click on copy link. And once you see this copied option or this copied message at the bottom, your link has been successfully copied. You can also paste it somewhere. Just simply go to the particular area, tap and hold on to this and click on paste, and the link will be successfully pasted. So that's how easily you can copy the link of any YouTube video. That was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.